we are going to understand one setting which is related to the mobile verification. Now disable customer if mobile unverified. That setting is set to yes. If it is not available in your system, just click create new config, search whatever setting you want to apply and then set the value of it and click save. So let me log in from a staff which is located in Pune branch, and let me search one profile here. Let's say profile 37. Now here in this profile I do not have any options here, like I cannot edit profile or create loan or upload documents or anything because the mobile is not verified for this customer. If I click here verify mobile, then it will tell me that unauthorized access is reported. So let me give the access to this user first. I have gone to this admin login and then user management access control list. I select a staff, Pune staff, view access and then verify mobile. Through OTP, I click add user access. Then when we add a new user access, we'll have to re-log in so that it will be implemented for that staff. So I log in, then search profile again and click verify mobile. Now OTP is sent, so let me check the OTP quickly on that mobile. So OTP is 7609 and click update. So it will say saved. I click close and search this profile again. Okay, now here I get thumbs up. It means mobile is verified and all other options are activated in the system. I can edit the profile, I can click loan and other things. Alright, thank you for watching this video.